As you can see here, I'm going to teach you from beginner, an absolute beginner, a person who knows nothing about programming and artificial intelligence, all the way to an artificial intelligence engineer. So congratulations, we finally finished with the Python fundamentals. Now all what you know about Python fundamentals, you can create project with it. There is some basic beginner project that you're going to do, around 15 project or 20. If you done that project, then you can now move on to intermediate. So congratulations, now you're done with the fundamental. So in our next class, I'm going to teach you GitHub, how to work with Git, what is Git, what is GitHub, and how to work with it in general. Then after that, then we start creating projects. After we're done with the project, then we move on to intermediate, where you start advancing your knowledge about Python programming. So do you have any question? So congrats.
Allah
So a darasin mu na baya
kawo mu lokaci ya zo, session ɗin ta zo ƙarshe, ana updating code base na school management system.
functions reference ina ne okay sai an jima sai an jima eh